Okay, here is my haul for my chat and craft that's coming up. These are the things that I bought. The first thing I wanted to do was I thought I wanted to get some boxes like this to put my lace and my ribbons and all of those kinds of things in. When I went to the store to buy them, nothing. They didn't really have anything that appealed to me. So since I've gotten into the honeys and the Reset Girl stickers and everything, I decided I'm just going to decorate my own. So I bought myself 8 of these, and I'm going to decorate them, get some cute labels, maybe add some honeys and things to it. The other thing I bought for it is, some shelf liner paper. The insides of my cabinets, they need some fixing up. So that's what I bought the shelf liner paper for over at Ross. It goes with some of the boxes that I already own in color, so I'm really excited about that. Michael's also were getting rid of all of their boxes. These ones are those magnetic kind, and they were like 70% off all the spring, but I like the grandma florals. It's something that I enjoy. So I got a couple of these so I could put some notions in them. And then I picked up, just at the dollar store, I knew that I wanted a couple of glass jars. They're going to hold, they could hold my scissors, or they could hold my pens and things for that. So those are the things that I picked up for my crafting, craft organization. And that's everything I'm probably going to use. But, this is also kind of a haul video, and so I want to show you a couple other things because we can't go to Michael's without picking up some stuff. So this was one of the things I picked up. It was a recommendation from the Reset Girl, Corey Speaker. She really loves these. They're the Taylor scissors. I picked them up, and I've really enjoyed them. These have become my paper crafting scissors. That's what I use those ones for, not fabric, but I could do another one for fabric. They're pretty nice scissors. So I picked those up. I think they were like 13 bucks. And then we had that 70% off sale, so I got myself some cute napkins because it's always nice to have some napkins when you have friends over, and they were, on clearance for like $1.50. I also picked these up, which I think I might do something with in another video. I'm always looking for little gifts that I can give people, and I thought, wouldn't this be cute to maybe do some printed vinyl on it, maybe do some honeys or something cute on that, and decorate each of the cards, and then put a ribbon on them and give them away as a gift. So that's what I was thinking about those. They were a half off, so they were $1 a package, which is really reasonable. This is another thing I picked up for $1. They have these, this is at Michael's, those are those Craft Smart ink pads. Again, they were $1 off, so they were half off, so they were $1, but some kind of cute colors there for stamping. And then every time I go there, I do this deal, which is the craft papers. It's the, you buy one and you get 2 free. And so I quite liked this. I kind of like some grandma florals once in a while. If you can see it, there's some that really work well together. Quite liked it. I thought it had some really pretty papers in it. And I think they're $20, and then they had the buy one, get 2 free, so they're really reasonable. And I loved using these for banners. I will show you how to do that in another video. And maybe we'll do it on a crafting live too if you guys want to do some party stuff. But these pads make it easy for you to coordinate colors, which I love a lot. And they always come with a few of these, which make the easiest tags you can possibly buy. You just cut them and punch them and add them to, a craft paper wrapped gift, and they're perfect. So I got that one, and then I wound up buying 2 of these. And I bought the 2 of them because I just really liked the papers in them, and I thought that they were really beautiful. And so I decided that that's what I wanted to do, was just have a second set of those. So again, really cute tags, don't you think? And it's got It's got just some bright papers. I thought these would be such cute tags. And I really liked the florals. Really thought I love these florals. Just kind of bright colors. I love the lemons. And I'll be honest, Michaels just didn't have a lot. They're kind of getting rid of their hot buy ones and they're replacing them with a different brand so you don't get as many options. But I thought that these were really cute papers, and so I just decided to get 2 of them because I figured I could definitely use these in multiple projects because this is just something that appealed to me. So that's why I bought these, and I bought 2 of them so I'd have multiples of that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed your tutorial. You should check us out at craftingismytherapy.com. We've got a huge freebie library, tons and tons of tutorials, downloads, projects you can do that will jumpstart your crafting in all kinds of areas. All you have to do to get access to that library is sign up for our newsletter. When you sign up for our newsletter, check out your first newsletter. It will show you how to join our chat and craft club, which is a really fun way to get some crafty girlfriends that you can do fun crafts together over the internet. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel if you like it. Thanks so much.